Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experimenting some clue technical difficulties. Please stand by. Tyrone, what the fuck are you doing here? Oh shit, gotta go. Get the fuck back here.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experiencing some clue technical difficulties. Please stand by.
I'm beating your ass too.
Wait.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're having another clue technical difficulties. Please stand.
Wait.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experiencing some cool technical difficulties. Please stand.
You get out! Okay, you get out!
We are sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, Martin just yelled at that guy. Anyways, please stand by.
Thank you for waiting patiently. Anyways, back to the show.